Objective: rotate and move to orient the model if necessary. Select the car seat. Left-click on the Rotate button to use the Rotate 2D command. In the top view, click on 2 points along the car seat's center line. Hold down Shift while rotating to snap the rotation to 90-degree increments. Rotate the car seat so that the center line is vertical from the top view. Then click the Move button. Right-click to move from the center of the car seat. Then, in the command line, type 0 and press Enter. Right-click the Zoom Extents button. You can adjust the elevation of the model relative to the construction plane by using the blue arrow in the gumball tool. Key result: the car seat has been correctly orientated in the viewport.